Good day, everyone. My name is Bert Jr., Director of Bert's Auto Parts. In October, Jamaica was hit by one of the most powerful hurricanes of all time. Hurricane Melissa caused widespread damage, most severely impacting the western region of the island. Homes have been destroyed. Unfortunately, families have been made homeless and communities look unrecognizable. Here at Bert's, we believe it is our moral duty to give back and uplift the Jamaican community. Being a Jamaican company, operated by Jamaicans, serving Jamaicans, is just not in our DNA to sit back while our people suffer. That's why the Bert Auto Parts Foundation is committing $20 million to relief and rebuilding. This $20 million go towards roof repair, building supplies, and food packages for those hit hardest. Lastly, I want to thank anyone, anywhere in the world, who has contributed some way, somehow, whether locally or abroad, to the Hurricane Melissa relief. Every effort is appreciated and no effort is too small. Collectively, we can rebuild Jamaica and make Jamaica stronger than ever. Thank you, and God bless Jamaica.